Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jordan here from Artisan Electrics. If you're not subscribed already to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more great videos coming soon. Tonight I want to speak to you about a weird little situation that I came across recently, which is a socket that's not really a socket. I'll show you what I'm talking about in the following pictures. But basically a customer called me out to say that their socket was not working, and it's never been working ever since they've been in the house. So I went up to this socket, I had a look at it, and it looks just like a normal socket. The switch is turned on and off, but absolutely no power coming out from it. So I thought, that's a bit weird. So I tried to unscrew the cover of the socket to find out what was going on, have a look at the wiring behind, and I just couldn't get the screws out. And I'm thinking, what's going on here? Why can't I get the screws out? And I'm struggling away, I'm trying to lever it away from the wall, things like that. Eventually I ended up smashing the whole front cover of the socket off from the wall. And what did I find behind? I found that it wasn't really a socket, it was actually a safe. And this was something that I'd never come across before, but basically there's certain companies who make these safes which are double sockets, or safes disguised as double sockets basically. So on the outside it looks like a double socket, but actually behind it's a little safe that you can use to stash valuables, and it's quite a clever disguise, I would say. Absolutely genius idea, but I'd never come across it before. And basically in the right hand side socket, the earth pin, where the earth pin goes, a little hole, that's where the key goes, and you poke the key in there, turn it, and then the whole cover of the socket comes off, and it basically pulls out like a little drawer, and you've got a drawer which you can use to secure items of value without anyone knowing. So I'm going to put a link in the description so you can see these on Amazon. Absolutely amazing items, and maybe you'll come across one in the future, and this will give you a little heads up not to smash the whole thing to pieces like I did. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's of benefit to you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. So here it is, the socket that's not a socket, and this is the photo from the Amazon listing. As you can see, it's stacked full of cash, and you could also use it to store jewellery or other valuable items. But as you can see on the front, it looks exactly like a normal double socket, but inside it's a lot deeper. And here's what the description says. So this is a standard double plug socket. It fits into a standard cavity brick walls. It's a cost-effective and fast solution to the security of your small valuables, jewellery and cash. Fitted quickly, nobody would know that this double socket is in fact a wall safe. To add additional authenticity, a power cable fitted with a standard 13 amp plug can be glued into one of the power sockets, with the power cable tucked under a nearby rug or behind a cabinet. Supplied with fitting instructions, raw plugs, fitting screws and keys. Fronts as a double plug socket. Yes, this is an hilarious item, and you can see you can buy one for $28.95 from amazon.co.uk. If you've not come across one of these before, maybe this is something new for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great videos coming soon. Also, let me know in the comments section if you guys have ever found anything similar to this, if you found a socket that's a safe, or a socket that's had no wiring to it, which I have come across before in the past. It'd be interesting to know what you guys have come across before. Thanks for watching guys, and have a great day.